Welcome to Ultimate DIY, where you learn to be your own handyman. Today we are going to take a look at Sequoia doors. Before we get into the unboxing and see what all they sent us, let's go and take a look at the bathroom where we're going to do the installation so you have an idea of what it looks like before we start. Be sure you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to show the final product. So without any further ado, let's go take a look at the bathroom. This is where we plan on putting the door. It's going to block off the toilet area. This is the kids' bathroom. They have a vanity up in here, and they have a tub shower combo up in this area. That way somebody can be using the facilities here while the others are able to brush their teeth so they can get ready for school and things like that and get out the door. That I have a challenge is I have very little room on this side, where most of the time you're going to have an equal amount of room on each side. I do not have that. So we're going to see how that works out. But it's going to come just like this, boxed up. You're going to cut the straps, and then there are more boxes inside. And you have got a bunch of hardware. Now you can go ahead and open these up and go ahead and line up your sockets and wrenches. They're telling you you're going to need a tape measure, you're going to need a marking pencil drill, you're going to need a level, you're going to need a socket wrench. I'm going to use a power driver, the Milwaukee, and they also tell you you're going to need some open ends, or you can use an adjustable open end wrench. The instructions on this are pretty good. They're good pictures actually in this one, and they're listing everything that you're going to need. They're giving you dimensions up in the front. You can follow this step by step. See where we are here. All right, guys, now it's time to go ahead and mount the rollers. So I'm about 4 inches back here, and that will be the edge of my actual roller. As far as the height goes, they give you a measurement for that. And there we go. So overall, everything went together extremely well. The wife is happy, the kids are happy. I think it's fantastic. So if you are fixing to put up a barn door, be sure you look at the Coast Sequoia doors. I don't think you'll regret it because they're extremely well made. They're already stained. Everything is done. They're pre-drilled out. It's a great door. Go ahead and grab yourself one today, and we'll see you guys on the next video.